Hello everyone, so my name is Andina Salwa Kamila Ramadhani with student ID number 2410171200017, and I'm from Extensive Reading A2, and today I would like to discuss a journal related to teaching English as foreign language, especially in teaching listening skills. The title of the journal is Utilizing English Videos as Listening Instructional Media to Promote EFL Students' Listening Proficiency. I choose this topic because listening is often considered one of the most difficult skills for EFL students. Many students feel that listening is harder than reading or writing because of they need to understand spoken English in real time. In EFL context, students do not use English in their daily life, so their exposure to spoken English is very limited. Especially of that, teachers need effective and creative instructional media to help students improve their listening ability. Listening is one of the four main language skills, together with speaking, reading, and writing. Listening plays an important role because of it becomes the foundation for other skills. When students can understand spoken English well, they will find it easier to speak, respond, and communicate. However, many EFL learners face difficulties in listening. They often complain that the speaker talks too fast and the pronunciation is unclear or the accent is unfamiliar. Students may also feel anxious when they cannot catch the meaning of what they hear. In traditional listening classes, teachers usually use audio recordings. Although audio materials are useful, they sometimes make students feel bored or stressed. Students only listen to the audio and answer questions without understanding the context. As a result, listening activities becomes passive and less meaningful. This situation encourages teachers to look for alternative media that can make listening more engaging and effective. According to the journal, English video English videos can be used as instructional media to improve students' listening proficiency. English videos combine audio and visual elements, which help students understand spoken language better. Through videos, students can see facial expressions, body language, and the situation of the conversation. These videos elements support students in interpreting meaning and understanding context. As a result, listening becomes easier and more enjoyable. The study explained that in the journal focus on the use of English videos in teaching listening to EFL students. The research believed that videos provide authentic language input. Students can hear real pronunciation, intonation, and natural speech. used by native or fluent speakers. This exposure is important for EFL learners because it helps them become more familiar with real English usage. The journal explained that teaching listening using English videos is conducted through three main stages, which are pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening activities. This stage helps teachers organize listening lessons in a structured and effective way. In the pre-listening stage, the teacher prepares the students before watching the videos. This stage is important because it helps students activities um, because it helps students active their background knowledge and reduce anxiety. The teacher may introduce the topic of the video and explain the learning objective. The teacher can also introduce difficult vocabulary that may appear in the video. In addition, the teacher may ask prediction questions, such as asking students what they think the video will be about. This activity helps students become more focused and motivated. In the while listening stage, students watch the English video carefully. During the stage, students are asked to focus on understanding the main idea and specific information. The teacher may give guiding questions to help students stay focused. The video can be played more than once to help students understand better. Sometimes the teacher may pause the video to explain certain parts to clarify meanings. This stage trains students to concentrate on spoken English and develop their listening comprehension. In the post-listening stage, students reflect on what they have watched and listened to. This stage important to check students' understanding and deepen comprehension activities. In this stage may include discussing the content and the video, answering comprehension questions, and summarizing the video or expressing opinion. Students may also work in pairs or groups so so they so they can share their ideas through these activities. Students are encouraged to use English actively and confidently. The journal reports that the use of English videos has a positive impact on students' listening proficiency. The findings show that students who learn listening through English videos experience improvement in their listening comprehension. They are able to understand spoken English better than more easily. Students also show higher motivation and interest during listening lessons. Um, Compared to traditional audio only, Students are more engaged and active when videos are used. Another important finding is that students feel more confident when listening to English. The visual support provided by videos helps them grasp meaning even when they do not understand every word. This reduces students' anxiety and fear of listening. As a result, students become more willing to participate in listening activities. The journal also highlights several benefits of using English videos in teaching listening. First, um, videos provide authentic language input, so students can learn how English is used naturally in real life situation. They can observe pronunciation, stress, and intonation patterns that are difficult to learn through textbooks alone. So the second one, videos increase students' motivation. Learning through is more interesting and enjoyable than listening to audio recordings only. Students feel more relaxed and comfortable during the lessons. The third one, videos help students understanding context and meaning through visual clues. When students when students see the situation and action in the videos, they can understand the message more easily. This is especially helpful for lower level learners. The fourth, videos create a more interactive learning environment. Teachers can design various activities based on the video's content, such as discussion, role plays, and follow-up tasks. Based on the journal, there are several implications for TEFL teachers. Teachers should consider using English videos as part of their listening instruction. However, teachers need to choose appropriate videos that match students' level and learning objects. And the videos should not be too long or too difficult. Teachers also need to design clear activities for each listening stage so that students can benefit fully from the video. Teachers should not only play the videos but also guide students through the listening process. By combining videos with well planned activities, teachers can create meaningful and effective listening lessons. In conclusion, listening is a crucial skill in TEFL, but it is also challenging for EFL students. Many students struggle with listening due to limited exposure to spoken English. The journal shows that utilizing English videos as instructional media can significantly improve students' listening proficiency. English videos make listening activities more engaging, meaningful, and effective. Therefore, English videos can be considered a valuable, valuable instructional tool in teaching listening in EFL's classroom. Thank you so much for watching. Dadah!